Awale. Awale.
Adi. Oh.
Sorry, na mempra.
Devi, mini febo.
Mi wo mini febo. Sorry, na mempra. Eno susu menya asa.
Oh, mi no chabi.
Sorry, me pesa me pra.
Mi so na mumpla. Enti haka kaka da hwai. Ona e bulu abe. Dani kape. Dani kanepe. Oh, abosa jibo.
Masa, uti kra na ye. Ka me pra fa wo so. Sorry na mempra.
Oh, ola ka ope. Oh, pawa.
Mimi e baifo. Na mimi e baifo anka mimi kundida. Sam na mnwe dwane ma udi.
Mimi hu, inakobo. No fioro wa chomo do na go ho. Dani, inakobo e. Inakobo. Apu. Obla mi so sumobo.
Mi won sumobo.
Sumobo. No fio. No okay, mami. Ka o tesi ka o fini ka ayo ne fio se. Mo ga lu. Ye fo first na fe.
Mo so ti na ye. So ma me ye me antin kadwuma me de bedi unu. Sorry na.
Ubade.
Sorry na mempra.
Abu mona. Masibo ji ko be na. Masibo ko to. Masibo.
Ubabu me.
Nge ba ko tanu agala.
Sorry na mempra.
Dino. This is where you come this early morning. I hope no problem.
Oh, there is no problem. Oh.
You sure?
Yes, but you know, I didn't say that it's the early bird that catches the stroke.
Nothing.
Yeah, that is why I always move early in the morning. Of course. I can see you are now arranging the place.
Yes, so I'm cleaning it.
Oh, let me help you. Oh, let me help you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, Dino.
As for this, this cup, it is the best cup in the whole economy.
Abi? Thank you.
Have you cleaned here already?
I've cleaned all that place. This one is okay.
So this is the last one.
This is the last one. It's okay.
Maybe I should have come earlier.
Oh, you.
So I always sweep this place for you.
Oh, you try. The one way you come safe, you try. Hey, welcome.
I thank you.
Hi, everybody now.
Everybody is fine in the house.
This is when you come this early morning.
Yes. See, when I wake up early in the morning like this, I have to fill the tank so that I'll get fuel to do the activities of the day.
I did I beg you and your program, I beg.
And that is why I'm here today.
What's that about?
As usual.
Appetition.
Of course.
I believe you.
In my village, it is called a soda bee.
That's good.
Who be for me?
Mabu.
Sorry na for me.
Ayo, agala yo,
Mabu. I didn't see moon giants at the day. They are some.
Bibi, Msa de achi. I was a mepra. Me pie no da. I'm so sorry na mempra me nweni o. Enweni dia we di madem.
Oh, wa male. Kwa engabo. Engakole. Kwa engabo.
Oh, Jason.
O si meji ma wa bori no mi ani.
Hey!
Awalo ba yi mi. Hey!
Oh, ona, bona.
Karo ba yi.
Oh, mama yibo. Oh, ona.
Hey, Jason. Kofa packet no neko fili barrels no mami why.
Mama na ko la kai.
Hey, aha na uda awele. Wo ba bu mi. Wo da bre ni.
Tu me do nke maka gbo na ma yire ko fi o.
Mi kwan e ba do. Dirty boy. Ta she be ma be.
Me wa kweta ko.
Wo ko ta ko na. Boy catch no Seaman bi. Catch no wo. Boy catch no wo mo. Me ba catch no wo.
Wow. Let me see what you try.
This one is great. And you know something? When I was leaving the house, I told my daughter, Akumi, that she should prepare a baku, a pepper, and then a bobitadi. So I don't want that food to go cold before I go and eat. I want to eat it very old.
Yes.
Therefore, I am going to finish it.
That's it.
I'll come back in the afternoon, then continue.
Where you?
I'm just telling you that I'm going to the house to eat babaku.
You know me at all. I dey ask you well at all. So you walk up from that place, inside my shop, come drink my drink. You no pay me. You dey tell me say you go come in the afternoon. No let me vex oh. No let me vex. Give me my money. I don't want to hear anything. Just give me my money.
But if you came around, I came to help you to clean the table and everything.
I send you message. I call you to make it come clean for me. Give me my money. Ah. Now what for you? This is any money. Where I never said.
Mama J, you let me just go. I'll come back in the house. I'll settle you.
See, Ogadino, no let me vex. If I vex, give me my money.
Mama J.
Oga, welcome, I beg.
Huh? I did say.
This man just waka follow me inside my shop. Come drink my drink. He not give me money. He won't go. He won't come back in the afternoon. Where did they do that one?
So you leave him.
I'm not gonna leave him.
No, when you do this, you sack all your customers.
Which kind of sack customers where they inside that? I said, make him give me my money. If you don't give me money, I will leave him. Okay, make him give me money. I want money first. Money for him, back for grand.
How much?
Now 10 cedi.
Mama J, now you are selling a petition for 10 cedi.
You leave him. Leave him. Leave him.
I say
Leave him.
Okay, now my money I want. I won't collect my money for hand. Okay, Seaman.
Now you take money, they laugh.
Sit down. Now you be correct customer this morning.
Dinero, sit down.
Sit down. Sit down. I beg.
Sit down.
Oh, sit down.
Sit down. Doesn't make you sit down. You don't cook my pay. Sit down.
But Vilolo, sit down. Come.
If you are happy over here, this is what you are stripping like a As for you, you are like my guardian angel. Anytime I get into trouble, and then you appear. Anytime I'm in trouble, and then you appear.
Mama J.
Okay, Seaman. I correct customer. Okay, Seaman.
Bobby Dinero. What better no baby?
Seaman, you see, I always say that he who reject a gift will have an empty salon. And so since you are asking me what I'll drink, even though I'll drink already, I'll still order another drink.
Dinero.
Yep, Kweba.
I
give you a vodka.
You're not sweaty the other.
Vodka.
A vodka.
Okay.
Okay, we're not gonna give you a bag.
Okay. Give me whiskey.
Make I miss some.
Yes.
Correct, man.
Charlie, yesterday I take 10 cedi go do bet where I lose. Charlie, yesterday you go do bet. Why you do so? Charlie, I said yesterday Man United spoil my game give me. It spoil everything. Like I said yesterday I did win cash. It spoil everything give me. With 10 cedi so, 10 cedi so. John, I also. Genevieve they come. You see Charlie, this girl should be you. I swear. But I'm not saying the guy be for anybody before. Hey, Genevieve. Hey, left. Me, I hear say she be hard. She be difficult like something. Like stone. You see stone? John, you be John. The stone when David kill Goliath, and take kill Goliath. It be so way
You be John like that. Genevieve, difficult.
So you go move.
You forget me, filler. Me, I go move on today. I swear.
I hear insist to be Freeman. You know be you when you say they move Freeman. We say you won't move If it's to.
You see say lack of knowledge, my people perish. It no be in sister, it be in cousin. It be in cousin, not be in sister.
So you go move.
At long distance. I go move on today. Me, I say I go move on. If I no move on, I no be filler.
Genevieve.
So you won't tell me say, you know, say we dey here where you go greet. Genevieve, you of yesterday. You grow.
Hey. You and who? Am I your friend? Come me chemon minya daddy nina. And she am bibi wemo. I rather.
See Genevieve, me you talk to me like this. Genevieve of yesterday. You grow. You talk to me like this. Oh Genevieve, see, it no be anything. I just don't want to talk to you.
Hey, don't touch me.
See, me I dey love you. Relax, make I open my heart show you. I get some real love. Reality love dey inside me. I go shower you with love. I dey love you.
Your friend is saying, I know Patutu and more 5 for 6. What about bedroom say? Say you find you.
That is the best time to drink. If you don't do it that way and you short fuel in the middle of the road.
Cheers.
This vodka is from Russia.
Every
Russia. As for me, I'm a drinking master. Therefore, anytime I taste a drink, I know the location and the origin of the drink. Hey! I know that as for you, people who go and see Seaman, you people, you sip your drink. But you see, but over here, you don't sip your drink, you gobble it. You gobble it, you finish, then you eat the roll. And so gobble your drink, and don't sip it. Yes, in a water region, that is how we drink. Of course. You see, as I was coming, I asked my daughter Akuvi to prepare a baku, a hot pepper, and a abobitadi. Therefore, now that this is in the system, I have to go back to the house and eat the baku while it is still hot.
Bobby dinero.
Yeah,
okay. This is a person me do have or check it 1 2 1 3 no mama.
Yeah. A siva without the abo is not a siva. I think we have to go now.
Thank you. Bobby dinero. Mama J. How much is it? The second one.
15 cedi.
The second one.
Yes, sir.
A siva. This man is the richest man in Kologoro.
Thank you, Oga. Oga, no get 5 cedi.
Oh, don't worry.
Thank you, Oga.
And you wanted to keep the 5 cedi?
But we've been coming here all the time.
You say application for a 10 cedi, then you want to keep the 5 cedi. I'll come and drink from this account.
Okay, Mama J.
Thank you, Oga. It's alright,
Fine boy. Simamba. Cash no.
Hi, boy. May. Oh, many. Quite.
Carol Shine.
Seaman, Aden saying, Bisa Obam.
Awale, Minister.
Jimmy, Genevieve.
Ebu, Oma Yile.
Genevieve, wait, ni papa, sense anyway. Na, you bo, me babo baako pe. Adachi obeye Seaman. Come on, Empa. Come on. And now the prayer Genevieve. I was like Genevieve, cause you are bound way back. Genevieve. The only thing that won't boom me back, the only son I have. Wait. Hey. Awale. Ketenu. Oh, Fabila. Oh, bena. Oh, nyanyi so misani. Da. Messi da.
Yo, man.
Never crom. Puto. Oda puto. Never crom. Na me sho. Oba kwa so yo ba wo fia. Oh, come on.
Edi asem kwa ni. Seaman Aden. E na ba nu mi hu ba se me ware o. Me nem ye ba ya me ware o. So wada.
I won't make you my princess, my queen. You see that thing? Forget everything. See, if somebody they tell you say me, I did this town, they walk here and there, they follow me, it be like, I swear, it not be true.
Hey, Kina you soba, Sabo Malio, or size nene shawono. So when you catch us, I said, Funa area have brono sooner over ma by heart, over master the old news, you know. When not the next time me chum. Nanya sa kuku do funu di jina mi bie ma ho. Wo better crown.
Genevieve.
So onyama ye. Me ko frame yant na ba.
And so,
wo dey chen na be.
See, go call IGP. Go call IGP. I don't fear anything. This thing, so much respect for them. You see what you go. Come on for that. You see your trap, you not catch Bella. You catch Alansa, the good for money is some. What? Well, now, awale.
Oh, back awale. Utina beri gbomo ju ebe sane ba bobo tabe oyeblodo.
Ma le na me bojo so no mu ame. Oh, chale. Na ade no bo fun sa. Omo ni mu se de ewi ase bon sa no.
Utina ha oba problem. U di panu. Oyeblodo.
Ade ya di asem.
Eyin ma me ni Sami cousin no.
Okay, Genevieve no.
Anu.
Genevieve no.
Anu.
Ade wa den.
Obeje di sepa mi da ho. Me su mi da papa bi. Mi da wa mi so obi pra gu mi ho. Me ko so Genevieve. Di asema me sorry. No dey on pra.
Na Genevieve na ade no da bonti ana.
Dabi o, unse na dem ayehye. Sa no ntimi se me ba beji inframu kakra wo abonti. Ntina me da abonti. Eti asem ya ha me kura da shi me kura ne se. Na me su na dun da ye.
Ene kosi sen.
Oh, me see. Ya na mpa no. Me kita me wine. Asa kita me glass. Anu so kita me glass. Me see. Ya tutebi. Ya nyama okwan so. Dia me den kura se. Ma target pa se me ko fi akola ya no na pa. Me na ho. Wanya Genevieve, me so no obepla. Da na tako. Oh. Dia shi me kura ma me. Oba onu mo bumi ama Genevieve.
Oh, ana wanya de kro. Ye chale. We pa de man. Me hwe wani mu pa. Wo kita wine glass, wine wa ha. Wo be fi oba ya no aman. Ene wani mu yi pa chale.
Shaba, minuti sa. Abono to akwan ya alumini. Tabi u person chem say unwo fe chem ana say de.
Enti no so person chem so unwo fe chem ana. Ada hwehwe nu fi ana. Na ma wo hwehwe mu on. Wo de bad way, wo de twa so. Ene kosi sen.
Aden, the back is in zone way.
And your voice be na me. I'm afraid me feel me say me bala ba good dey so papa get ni me carry me bucket. Wa painu. Bucket na boy. Hey. Wa painu. Your friend is saying. I'm your friend is saying. Kasa. Fila. Today. Fila. Hey, Mimi bucket.
Oh yeah, let's go. Come here, come over to me next time. Come here, walk. Babu, what are you bucket?
Oh, wa ham pa. Akwa ham pa.
Chale. Oni pa ni din. Ona oba.
Me kwa kwa obi no. Me kwa kam buso asema kire no. Me ka bibia. E beto soso. Me gidi pa.
Chale na wo last chance ni o. Mensuro. Wo jeja ho a. Last chance.
Mensuro. Mensuro kra.
Okura wo adwen. Makasi bubi.
Nadu. Hey.
Nadu.
O ba nu po.
Nadu.
Aje.
Nadu.
O ba nu pe.
Nadu.
Anu pe.
Nadu.
O ba nu pe. Me ba. Ko ka me ba.
Good morning.
Oh, good morning.
Aya. Nadu. Ni moya. Bo ka na bo lege ko femi e. Na bo po. Mi si mi hu ahun na makuma e bo pi. Na bo. Asa mi nda ho, se mi njina ho na ni if you po. Na wo koyin.
I'm going to fetch water.
Ke bo akeklan kan bro phone you a. Mo bi na gbe ko lo no yo yi. O pa no you okula. Wo ga come here no you e bi. Wo gan ko ba you mo gan.
Sorry, because we speak only English on campus.
Oh, ile wa. She ona ko o se bi e ona. O jila bro phone mi won nu shi.
You have to polish your English if you really want to be nice.
Oh, I know that. Ilewa, surely, come on. Are you Akona? Rome is building just not Benin.
Rome was not built in a day.
But go ahead, what class one Benin? I know about it. I saw you go Sansu. Who the trust in uncle? Why? You go down.
Oh, now go.
Oh, Mr. Bessia. Why? Mango. Mate, on my video.
Wow. Nadu. Manya come oh, sabe ka fe na kan. Nga o wo last year akutu we. Nye gba mi ba ni na bole kan no ni akutu agende. Alangbulo na akutu e. Oh, seriously. Bunu nga ba ai. Bunu ngba muku. Ko mu sisi. Ko mo jo mu. Only one move. Yeah.
I have told you we can be friends. I'm not ready for a relationship now.
Oh, no, I worry. No, go to like I worry. Oh, forget tomorrow. It be love. Me love body aje. You don't know. Oh, left her. Oh, I am the mama girl. Sweetheart, you accept. But no shishi kake. Go move again. Oh my God. Oh, I feel papa. I go surprise. Must surprise with that, honey. And I will be only when I was share what is here. Drum me know you're not a woman. Oh, serious?
You are funny.
Oh, funny. I be you know Seaman. Seaman and funny. You are funny, you are funny. Offend funny. Hey, see that. Your body is so very nice, eh? Oh, I should be where?
Please help me carry it.
Okay, come don't venture. Make the matele. I go carry give matele.
Really?
Oh, really? Really, if I bet 2 months never go. No, and the cross, papa. Man, no, I'm me long time.
I mean, oh yeah, sure.
Oh, sure. Oh, yes, sure. Matele, can't force you, can't try. Can't try. Anything love song. Mr. Wapa, come, Mishi. My surprise is good, darling. Oh, where? Oh, let's go, where? Oh, let's talk on it then. Why are you? You take say you be as somebody go do Linda, Barbara, Monica, Sarah, Jessica, Pamela, then things.
In mommy, them say he fight Mayweather, he win him. I know the trouble they come. Trouble they come. You.
Me know why now. Obe who say yes, my boxing, my kicking. Me back it. Hey, tell me why. Obe who say yes. Hey, when I buy me car on me back it. Today, I will deal with you. Tell us something.
Everything will be all fine. What machine?
Thank you so much.
Mo ka menji la ka thank you la ka che kula po. Ka che. Kuma na bi bio kula pa ko ni. No phone ba fe fine. Nka wo ka bu kepa.
I'm so surprised.
Oh, that ka surprise.
This has never happened to me before. A guy carrying water for me.
Oh!
I never imagined it.
Oh, me you first person.
Yes.
Oh, no I do. Oh, tell God. Oh, guy. Baba fe fe, bo fe fe. Bo fe. Come on. One nigga no shame na. Come no shame. Come on. Ona ni be no emotion. Come on, ma handle ojo bang. My mom ojo bang.
Awale, my father won't take it kindly to see me in a relationship.
Oh, papa, inke ba come on. Give be kan jibo. E no sure that. Mo ani be na me to ma handle na.
You, it's okay, please.
Abo ni ke shashin keke mo.
Should my father see the two of us, he will kill me.
Inke ba come on. Je be kan bi pro jibo.
No, thank you.
Oh, bo ni ke shashin.
No.
Oh. O nke abona.
Yes.
Oh, nadu. Wati pe nadu. Aye. Nadu. Get away. Fatih boni brem. Sorry. Brother, kita ya puna. Aja sedih chance kan.
Seaman. Me person me go shop kakra no. Na me pon person me for market na me ndi dwa kakra za mba e betumi aka benku. Na me ni scant ma miska.
Me so dwa.
E dwa ben.
Me fiti ba ma so dwa.
Dwa ben. Fiti a wo ba ye na wo be bie container kitwa we ma me amidi eye adwuma no. Nti anu na me ne me ma e be di wo fie ha na. Light bill ba karo, water bill ba karo light. Bibia ye me. Aden me wo.
Let wo nim nyansa ketekete wa ho. Wo nim nyansa ketekete otim. Obi a me no da dem fitim na 6 o'clock. After no pay na say what afa na ba keka na say ade na won nim and discuss with them.
Seaman me ne wo tisai. Ye da dem aye kasa. Me ne wo sa hihye ye wo. Hwade esi wanim. Anopa toto wo man didi ye hwani awo ye. Tenant wo fie ha. Hwani awo landlord awo ye. Eye ma.
Me ni ko bi am do.
Wo ni den?
Me ska bi am do.
Me mpani awo ye no. Me ka ro me serious.
You are tempting the Seaman. And you see the colors of Seaman.
Oh, Dad. Nothing knows you. I don't mention it.
But Kobe. Oh, come on, friend, remember me. Can I say my brother?